Betul. Mantap.
Apa pesan tu?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Put the fire there. What the fire? Barbecue. Hello guys, we are come up here guys.
So that guys, it's only chicken wing, sausage, and prawn. Hello everybody. Flash, huh? So we barbecue outside the house there. So what we have here, we have chicken wing, prawn, and then sausage. There, Baisan. Like this. Okay. Ooh, nice smell, Mobi. Ooh, bau sedap guys. This one is our special recipe marination. This one, just a simple marination. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, cun-cun.
Cun-cun, and the prawn again, and then the corn again. Eta. B. Okay. So we have corn also, guys. We have corn, sweet corn. Feel like to eat barbecue tonight. Ooh, nice smell, guys. Đây. You see, hangus the chicken there. You see, daddy there. Beyond. Come. Aisan. Again. Sudah diolesin sama butternya. Sama butternya.
Pakai tangan saja.
Pakai tangan. Look at the guys. Use pen. Okay, one more deh. Enak pe? Padat. Padat.
The one that already.
Okay guys, so some of the prawn already cooked. Yeah, look at that.
But it's still the one masam.
Okay.
Few more.
Yes.
Make it betul-betul.
Belum, sedikit lagi. Ya, mau berapa? Berapa Ige?
Masih banyak.
Yang mana?
Memang. Let it go to the. Boleh to the.
Ini ya tadi.
Jagung guys. Masih hangus ya nak?
Dia jagung memang.
Oh jagung. Jagung pakai putih. Oh ya.
Kan.
Oily itu.
Ya. Memang. Basan.
Jadi kata dia mau 4 kah?
Berapa lama tunggu ini?
Oh ini sudah ada api mara.
Belum.
Oh.
Belum habis.
Pindah ya.
Pindah ya lah.
Tuh. Jagung bakar. Jagung bakar. Jagung bakar.
Jagung bakar guys.
Jagung bakar where di sana?
Bali.
Bali.
Bubut. Wah. Suddenly the fire so big like that.
Digosong deh.
Kosong. Ya. Suddenly the fire so big like that.
Digosong deh.
watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.